Hello folks, today in this session we are going to learn about how to install Ansible in your Docker container, Ubuntu Docker container. So I'm just open my GNS3. Let's the GNS3 VM get started. In the meantime, we can download our Ansible documents from docs Ansible docs.ansible.com. Okay, before this you have to install Docker in your GNS3. For that, go to gns3.com, click on downloads. You can log in with your normal Gmail credentials. Go to close this one. Go to marketplace, appliances. Here you can see the Docker container. If you like it, you can give the ratings also. Download this one. Once downloaded, just for the information, this is just your template of Docker guest. This is not the actual software. This is hardly like 3 or 4 KBs. Now to import that, click on file, go to import appliances, click on this one. It gets imported to your GNS3 VM only. That's the reason why I told GNS3 VM is very important here. So we have successfully installed the template of Ubuntu Docker. Now to install the Ubuntu Docker, just drag it and drop it here and wait for some time. It says error downloading the symbol Linux. Let me try to play it. Okay, I believe my GNS3 installed it before. That's why my GNS3 software has the Ubuntu Docker container informations. I'm going to show you the Ansible in the network automation tool also. The good part of using network automation tool is that it comes by default with Python and Ansibles. I'm using NAT for my internet connectivity. Let's connect them. If you're using switch image from GNS3, I do not recommend you guys to use Ethernet port 0 because that is used for consoling purposes. You may observe some issue working with that. Now to install Docker, Ansible in Docker, go to docs.ansible.com. I'm sorry, docs.ansible.com. Click on Ansible documentation. Click on installation guide. Click on installing Ansible on Ubuntu. Here you can use these sort of codes to install Ansible. I'm going back to my device. I'll first check if I have my IP address in ETH0 interface. If I don't have, I have to edit this file /etc network interfaces. I'll make sure to get IP address via DHCP, and by default DHCP is running in the NAT cloud. Now you have to restart your network services, but I'm using a lab environment, so I'll just stop and start. Let me start again. Reconnect. Now you got the IP address. Now you can ping internet from this guy. Sorry. Let's install these codes one by one. You cannot use sudo command here, but in the real-time environment you have to use sudo. I'm just using apt update, like updating these Docker informations. See, all these files are getting downloaded from the internet. That's the reason why we should have the internet connectivity via NAT cloud. And we are using GNS3 VM just to make sure that we don't overload our computer. Once you're done with that, you can install the software properties. Just copy this and paste. That's done. Install the repository documents. That's imported. Let's install Ansible now. Now let's hit install on the background. I'll open my network automation tool. I'll try to assign an IP address on the interface 80 via DHCP. Same command, etc network interfaces. We'll remove these or uncomment these two lines and reboot the device. Again, I'm rebooting the device because it's my lab environment. Normally I don't do in the real-time environment. Just reconnect. Sometimes I face some issues with network automation tool. It got the IP address. Now it can ping the internet too. To check the IP address of 80, command is ifconfig 80. Here's my IP address. As I told you, network automation tool, you can download this again from the GNS3 marketplace. It comes inbuilt. By default, it comes with the Ansible and Python 2.7.17. Let's go here. Let's check the Ansible version. I've installed Ansible version 2.9.9. If you want to install the latest version of Ansible in your network automation tool, I believe you can try this. And you can see the latest update for network automation tool itself is 2.9.4. If you're looking for more latest, then you have to use Ubuntu Docker. Thank you for watching my videos. Keep supporting. Bye.